This video is to go with the counting machine, which is module 1 in year 5, and this is to go with section 2. So you've given your children an open-ended chance to actually discover how to make the cat count, and most of them will have come up with lots of very simple sequences of say commands. And now you want to just give them one more hint of a possible way of doing it and give them a little bit more time to actually see if they can puzzle it out for themselves. So let's talk you through how you might help hint to them what might be a good solution. So it's quite nice if you get it yourself and then a child to come up and stand next to you. You've pre-prepared and you've got yourself a pot of pencils, and you've also labelled that pot. And you might talk to the children about what we did when we did the quiz, and how the first thing we did is we set the variable. Okay, and we're going to call this variable count, and we set it back to 0. So make a very public show of emptying the pot. Okay, because of course setting the variable always involves emptying out whatever's inside beforehand, and then you've got nothing left in your pot, so we've set it to 0. And then you might say, well, look, let's have a look, see what we can do, because we could change count by 1, and let's see what happens here when we're changing count by 1. Okay, oh look, there's one new pencil into the pot, and then ask the child to look inside the pot and actually tell you what's inside the pot. 1. Okay, and then add another pencil across into the pot and get the child to look inside and count what's in there. Oh look, there's 2 again. Okay, so we're changing the count by 1 each time. Let's change the count by 1 again, and we get 3 pencils in the pot, and we look inside and we've got 3 pencils in the pot. You might also want to give the children one extra sort of hint as to what might be useful. So just ask them, what sort of programming device are we inside? And I normally sort of make sort of circle movements between myself and the child just to help them think it through, because of course we're inside a loop. Now give the children plenty of time to go away and see if they can puzzle it out, puzzle a better solution than the one they've come up with so far. And actually you'd be surprised at how many of them will actually come up with a much better solution, especially if they have done the quiz module and spent some time with that.